Hey you guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be doing a full coverage foundation plus makeup application. So if you guys want to see that, then keep watching. Also, if you enjoyed this video and would like to see more, then why not hit that big red subscribe button down below this video or over on my YouTube channel. So I've already gone in with a moisturizer. I'm going to take a primer now, and the one I'm going in with is by Primark. This one is an illuminating primer and it just looks like that. So next I'm just going to take a foundation, and the one I'm taking is by Catrice and it's in the HD Liquid Foundation. And it just looks like that, and that is in number 10 light beige. Set that foundation using a pressed powder, and the one I'm taking is by Aoife, and you already know that I am obsessed with this pressed powder. I'm just going to take two concealers. One is by Catrice and it is in number 15 Honey, which is this one here. Concealer I'm going to go in with is by Makeup Revolution. This one is in Full Coverage and Contour Concealer, and this one is in C5. Next I'm just going to take a bronzer, and this one is by Too Faced and it's in Chocolate Soleil, and it just looks like that. So next I'm just going to contour and highlight using the NYX's contour palette, which is this one here. Go in with this shade here. Using this shade here. So I'm just going to take this shade here, and I'm just going to take this shade here. I'm going to take a Benefit blusher, and this one is Rock Couture, and it just looks like that. Urban Decay's Naked Illuminator, which is this one here, and this one is in Luminous, and it just looks like that. So just to make that highlighter pop a little bit more, I'm going to go in with my MAC Strobe Cream, which is this one here. Take an eyeshadow palette now, and the one I'm going in with is by The Balm, and it's in Nude Dude Volume 2, which is this one here. So I'm going to take this shade here, which is called Fearless, and it's just this really light kind of nude shade. Going to go in with Feisty, which is the second shade here. So next I'm just going to take Funny, which is this kind of burgundy brown shade here. Feisty now, and this is like a mauve shade. Next, I'm just going to take this deep purple shade, and this one is in Friendly, and I'm just applying that just to the very outer corner of the eyelid. And applied some false eyelashes off camera. I'm going to let the glue settle before I apply mascara, so I'm going to take a lip liner next, and the lip liner I'm going in with is by The Balm, and it just looks like that. Take a MAC lipstick, and this one is in Velvet Teddy, and it just looks like that. So lastly, I'm just going to take a mascara, and the one I'm going in with is by Bourjois, and it's the Push Up Volume Glamour, which is this one here. Full coverage foundation plus makeup application. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't be afraid to give me a big thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. Till next time, bye! So if you'd like to see any other makeup looks, then don't forget to comment down below and let me know.